What's up, PETITE FAM? Welcome back to the channel,
and welcome to the 4th episode of
Kimberly.
Petite and Steven on set.
So this time you guys saw that we had a little bit of a twist at the intro, but I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it though. I don't
If you can see it from the phone, wait till you see it
from
from
the
back.
People, we are wearing the new PSL collection.
Oh my god, I cannot believe
How does that feel?
I don't know. And
How
order
does
to
that feel?
it didn't actually come out yet. So
It's crazy.
right now that you guys are actually
Yeah.
seeing this episode after a month, I'm
Nobody
guessing
knows.
nobody knows right now. So it's so hard for me to want to
Yeah.
right?
Equate.
But y'all, thank you so. I want to already say thank you so much for your support on the merch. I've been hiding it, Project 004. I've been calling it that.
She has.
Y'all been on my ass about Kita Pasana, what is going on, save the day, blah blah.
Mhm.
And yeah, so I
She
hope
Kylie Jenner did.
I did.
Kylie Jenner did.
But I hope you guys enjoy the merch. I hope you're wearing it right now. Si puta siende. If you copped the PSL collection, drop it in the comments down below and hashtag PSL collection. And if you're watching Kibodi, hashtag Kibodi. So
Yeah.
this episode is in honor, obviously, of PETITE Bros locals. I'm actually mentioning it on our stories. Or on the like, this is an episode about supporting your locals.
Yeah.
So Steve, are you gonna tell them?
So let's get into the episode.
Yeah.
This
This
episode no se vai por barei YDK Brands. Speaking of PSL, nós vai outro brands ang awit.
Yes.
Dus, durante si man kapasa, nos pedimos ang manda algum brands ding and ami, tu may por badila ka egas, kimi brands anda, pero by giving hints, nos yung pari items, kung nasa puro bati identify a brand.
Yeah. Good.
See.
I hope I mentioned was some favorite brands now. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hashtag Kibodi when you're watching. Tag us, tag PSL Collection, tag Kabi Day, and let's get into the episode.
Tag PSL Collection, y'all. PSL
Collection. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna start first with this brand.
Okay.
I've seen this brand before, but I've never bought anything second-hand hinda, but I've seen some new items and I'm like, okay girl, I might just, So I'm gonna put on my items.
What's she gonna put on? Hi, here we go. She took off her ring?
Lord.
Okay, let me tell you. So
What
the
is
items
this?
na kung LA, the
Yeah.
items na kung LA to by make a name. No longer a brand that bend it.
Oh,
Just so we can be
okay.
clear.
Okay.
Okay,
Good.
There you go.
Good.
you may start. So there's no. Start.
Okay. What is this, Jesus? Okay, we have a top. We have a ring. We have an earring. A gold earring.
Keyword gold. There you go.
Top gold. Top.
It's not about the top though.
Why you got the top then? Why she got the top?
Okay, the top
The style,
has the
the
top. Look, this is running the top.
The top. Tungkol dito. Wait. If gold. Goldie?
No. If it was gold, I mean, we support the queen, obviously. But
No. Why?
gold is part of the name of the brand, indeed.
Eh.
Now look at what a top, pa din the top, pa for the top, what a top. First of all,
It's kinda.
okay, a top, tadi
Store.
It's from a. What is this?
Saturn.
Oh, look at the strategy.
No, what is this?
Oh, it's from Zara.
No, but what is
The
Zara?
tag.
What is that? What is
Oh,
Zara?
sorry.
Wow.
What is Zara? Zara is a
Shop.
Zara is.
Clothing store.
What are we guessing?
Brand.
Good. There we go. Okay, so gold and brand is in the name.
Oh, gold brand.
No, you still have to do this one. Why do people wear rings?
I cannot be this dumb. Hold on. Hold on. What is this? Wait.
What?
I know this. I know this. Gold, it has gold. It has brand in the name.
And then the ring. Why do people wear rings?
To like weddings.
Okay, but
Events.
wedding is the key word.
Okay.
But see, this is a wedding. Why do you go to what happens at a wedding? People get
Married.
so. What did I want to do?
So gold weddings. Gold married.
You have this one too, huh?
Gold brand weddings.
No,
Gold.
not wedding. It's married.
Oh, marigold. Oh, marigold.
Marigold what?
Brand. Because the wedding is
Marigold brand.
Marigold brand.
Marigold brand.
Marigold brand.
How did I do it?
It's okay. You just started out hard. How am I
Pero si
supposed
wala
to?
awanan sa kilo ba pinsan? Ring.
I made
gold
a
top.
I made a top.
Kasi hindi ko ba, first off, it's not the items kita bidi, but actually,
Okay.
she sells
Marigold
clothing.
brand.
This is Marigold brand.
Oh.
So she sells clothing.
Oh,
So
cool.
Marigold brand, shout out to you.
Shout out to
I've
you.
seen you on the TL over there, but
I couldn't guess your brand.
well, he did at the end.
Yeah, I kept saying weddings.
So yeah,
It should be marigold weddings, Spencer.
Marigold.
Think about it.
Expansion,
Branding,
like a
marketing, wedding.
area,
There's a lot of
designing the
cash
clothing,
there. Go for it.
bridesmaids. I don't know, you know.
That's my turn.
Listen to me. I see coffee packages. I see
Yeah.
black. I see
Uh-huh.
gold. I see
Uh-huh.
plastic. Is it a brand? Could it
It's a
sell
brand.
coffee?
Yeah. Yeah. I can give you that.
YDK
YDK?
brand could it sell coffee? I need to
Yup.
be there. Because
YDK.
YDK brand sell coffee.
Yup.
Is coffee in the name of the brand?
No. Coffee is not in the name of the brand.
And the what is it?
Wait up. It's a rato. YDK brand that sells coffee. I didn't say.
Pakaya Society.
Awa!
Of course, because I've been there before.
I haven't.
And y'all,
yet.
look, I know that y'all sell coffee, but it's such nice. But the coffee.
Guarda mi eka. Guarda dimmi, cause I'm coming. Pero no, I think
Eh,
it's.
ora mo wapre, ora mo sa coffee mi, when kami sa ko
Yeah.
sa akinana na hulana,
Exactly.
kota ilota, pero kasi mi no, like,
Yeah, and the black packaging because they're very minimal.
Yeah.
And the
Romana
black
sana, si ba mini ko sana, kasi
Sì, e empaque di prodotto preto da representar
Ay, teve de som.
é marca oficial
di Pakaya.
di Pacaya, é Sociedade Pacaya.
Sociedade Pacaya. Uau!
Vou comprar na emissora, ou vou passar na boa estação, preferir e comprar bobão de luna.
Babon di luna sa Pacaya. Nós postamos coisas assim, você pode comprar em bon, pende como você compra to.
Sesso, pero ito mo ideia.
It's not bad.
Abo
It's
na
not
ako.
copyrighted. No, it's taken. No, scrap that. Scrap.
No, pero shout out to Pakaya. Alright, kasi may coffee. Qual lugar? Pero minasali ko namin sa cafe 5 days, no, they're not full on white here. So
No, exactly.
Okay. Let's go to the next one then.
Stop. Jesus, Señor, tiene piedad de nós.
Okay,
Okay.
this.
A brand. No, è qua che non ti nada che deve quello che vende. A pensar que sì.
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 Mhm.
Nós tem.
Sino si mi say
Nós tem mata.
Not the.
Nós tem, what is this? Apple mousse.
Mhm.
Dessert de pão.
Dessert de
Solo
pão.
para frescura.
Como de lá dizer.
Trouxe uma cuchara para comer dessert de pão.
Oui.
É brand que tem três partes. Três coisas que também é name. Desse não é um name.
Okay.
É foi quase amigo com Marigold brand, sim. Dus. Pero voy a empezar a hacer que compota. Dus.
Compota tem BK Brand? Tem baby food?
Okay.
Baby
Okay. Ajá.
Baby
Pero, boding, ajá.
Plant-based? Mata?
Okay. Ahora vamos a mata, você
Organic.
Ajá.
Organic.
But yeah, so they are very organic, that's true.
That's so much organic to me. That's
but-
plastic.
É,
Parece
ok.
plástico.
It's giving him case.
Pai, Daisy.
Back to this.
Back to this.
Back to this.
Okay, so
Okay.
ahora vamos a mata.
Uh,
Você com?
it's
Que você
green.
pensa?
It's alive. It's green. It's
Ahora vamos a some trees and stuff. What do you think about?
forest.
Mhm.
No.
Amazon.
Trees and you know.
Environment. Environment.
Where do you get like beautiful trees and blue skies and stuff? Where are we from?
Curacao.
Yeah, but we are in the
Tropics. Caribbean.
there. So it's
Organic.
no.
No, Caribbean. Caribbean baby food?
Caribbean baby food.
Caribbean
Shout
baby
out
food.
to Bella and. Ei, não cometa depressivo.
Tá dando preço.
Marcela, bawake, mabisabu, me divide sa mga back.
Since day one.
Come, no ta.
Me not come. It was for shock value.
Shout out to Bella, mi prima Belladonna, because it was a man start
Oh, that's
their
nice.
own Caribbean baby food. Because you know my little cousin, the baby cousin I'm telling you about,
Yeah.
it's super cute.
Bella.
So it was siempre baby
Oh,
food pa
wow.
and then they started, you know, making a brand and
Wow.
very Caribbean because she's YDK and the guy he's Surinamer, so together they make Caribbean baby food.
I like it.
So shout out to them if y'all
Shout out
got
to you.
babies. go
Caribbean
support them.
baby food.
And they going to deliver in Holland.
Yeah, I would like a delivery of
So-
6, please.
Jesus Christ! So
Six
y'all
babies?
go support
Yo.
them. We got obviously we put it on the screen and everything, but go support them Caribbean baby food. But yeah, you did it.
My turn. Hey, wapo. Cause y'all know. All right, here we go. See,
That's it.
that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Marami wag ka throw it. Let me double check.
Ikaw may bisa un clay.
Okay, you're close. Quite people the clay or quite people the hard materials and stuff. Who's up and make mugs. And okay. Well, if you don't use your word, I don't know. You just look at me. She's not saying anything. But okay, blink 3
Clay.
times. Clay.
Wow.
Okay, clay.
Okay,
clay. Pero va más leo. Va más
Okay,
leo.
water.
Mencionaste
lugar
what the
aquí.
hard materials kung tuso ba
Ceramic. To.
Stick to that. Stick to that one.
Nandun namang ceramic?
No. No, hilas. No, pero no te. Otro. Dami in the name.
Okay, so key part is the
Immaterial
name
in the
thing.
name.
Immaterial ceramic.
Aha.
And then me felt the
But you won't
Cuarto.
find out a few words about it. No.
Un spill?
What do you see in the mirror?
My beautiful self in the PSL Collection over
Yeah,
there.
but what do you see? What do you see? What do you really see?
Reflection.
No. You want to meet up from man before
Glass.
your clothing. Before your clothing. Your reflection, what do you see?
Glass.
See, but what do you see about yourself?
Brown skin.
Uh-huh. Where do you see?
Eyes. Mouth. Lip.
And where they located?
On my face.
Uh-huh.
Oh, face.
Uh-huh.
Ceramic.
Uh-huh. No.
Facial.
No face. Pavimento. Uh-huh.
Cara to din.
Uh-huh.
Ceramico to din.
Uh-huh. Ceramic.
Ceramic. Ceramic. Ceramic ba yung cara?
Cerámica.
Because you know, they obviously
Put them
buy.
together. Put them together. Let me just help.
Cara
you.
ceramic. Ceramic cara. Cera ceramic.
No. Ceramics. So ceramics makes mugs with various shapes.
Ooh.
Ma'am,
Para
isa-
basta na kinang NL.
Yep. Right here.
Yo.
And as you can see, they really make
Oh,
mugs,
I'm
etc.
definitely coming sa Gabon.
Yeah,
I am most definitely coming sa Gabon.
Yeah. Until mambisa amounts to support the female party.
I love.
Yeah.
Paso di me kibra. Parang may boob glass kami dating. It broke.
It's time for you to
So,
get a YDK brand blue glass.
I am definitely coming to you. Wow, y'all go support ko rin ta?
Ceramics.
Okay.
Ceramics.
Nice.
Oh,
Jesus,
no.
sila gina-track kong ungkos, no? Ano track kong ungkos, no?
This one called in though.
Man, gusto ko benta.
Wow.
Midi, pangalang.
Wait, um tas?
No, let's see. Tuntas. Tuntas yun ah.
Ito
Ah, tapoy visti.
Ito
Hey, no si wega.
tas.
Amiga, seria bawa no stale.
Lagi na. Anyway.
No!
Fine.
She said, once I go out of this, mita
Technically
pwe mi
did.
angua comigo.
Okay.
Angua?
Okay, dus. Kita. Bang.
Angua?
Okay, wara, namida ko. Kibo de mirando.
Hack. Like. No. Tindemi. Come on, as in,
Bray.
Brayan. Sí, pero me voy a palabra no.
Crochet.
Crochet. Sorry. Crochet. King
Napapemo.
crochet.
Crochet?
Crochet tops?
Courgette po kami?
Aha. Okay.
Okay,
E non hindi mo Mr. Kiri.
Ayun
Okay,
na.
so
Crochet.
it's a crochet. A brand that has crochet.
Wait. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Awo, babisa.
I heard
Awoy,
about this.
Bauza, angguwa to. Babisa.
Crochet. Sí, angua.
Si,
Sí,
babisa.
angua kuhilo.
Okay, this kiko bata hasi no ora bata trande ko.
Clothing.
No, pero kiko yame e palabra na Ingles. Ora bata trahanong ko. Bata?
Okay.
Aha. Pero creations.
Crochet creations?
No.
No.
Ese es el nombre de un género, te gusta con O.
O'Reilly's. Sorry.
No, pero vamos a ver aquí.
No.
El nombre tiene. Está O.
Ophelia.
Kiko?
Odessa.
Papiamento.
Ah, Tishan. Optica Kiwi.
Basta mira to me. Y'all saw this coming. Mita sa pa na ibig sabihin cancer.
Okay, pero no.
Pero Omi, right?
OD
OD
Creations. Let me check.
Creations.
G's pa din
Where does
share.
crochet? O the crochet da?
Ni un caminda.
Huh?
Nothing crochet data.
Huh?
Nothing crochet
No,
data.
mabisabo. No, pero mabisabo.
Oh.
Madres siya basta ito di crochet, tinda market ke brand.
Oh.
Pero, bomesa kumisa ko ang gua ba di kiki,
Si,
mabisabo
si.
ki. But the creating. Pero see, it's OD Creations.
Oh, cool.
And as I said, orang sa skip na sige shout out po sa favorite brands of the friend. Basta ko ba na ba shout out pa na po si
Yeah.
Hero. So, un friend ni Ami o Deja actually mana su amiga su and the kita look at the make. So she makes handbands and the sigumi isa tra man range o remi de mira nami aki aya.
Oh my.
Pero su love the ankle crochet is my happy place. So she makes that.
Oh wow, hey, I need one of these.
Hook 'em up.
Hook me up.
Yep. So you guys, and ito tra like different colors with the
So dope.
There's new act by Wagful, pero ma-act me naman na. I need to
Oh,
shout
that's
her
so
out.
cool.
There's OD Creations, minasaki mo number na, pero yes. Ay.
So this one is gonna be fun. Bye.
Soto.
Ding boto sa
Hali-hali
coco. Coco yuko, mamira umakakala. Edi kumi. Okay, no.
Okay. This one by Bandi, mi mata ng afo, mi kas.
Kiko ba bing akidin ko niya?
Anto makoba dentera.
Santo!
Aleluya!
Maya nanota move mas.
Bobo buta e kos akidi man namin first.
Nanota move mas mida expera ko like.
No, bota si Rema ami wapa din from me.
No,
No, wada.
Nami happy.
Wada. Basta kaya mi nota bula sa alim Jackie Jane na yun.
Nami happy. Ano tayo punas konta?
Oh, Esteban, bobo ko ikaw
And not
gihinsi.
is-
Ami waki
and
din
not is
yung
not.
glass for me.
Nanota move mas. Nanota move mas. Nanota bula. Pero nanota. Yeah, no tinara ko to pwede. It's chocolates.
Stop ako.
Wala bula. Jesus, mas magdami.
Okay. Sa akin naman yung tiki obvious, yung tiki on the dot, pero bak. 3, 2, 1.
Ayan, preta.
No. No bisami.
Pero obvio, basta bidahin ko si Bonami siya niya. Kokolishi! Sawa? Like, ano, like, lahat, minota kami tres sa akin. So, hindi man like,
Spot on.
Simita di Coco lang maming kasi.
Usa,
And don't worry man actually throw go off.
Sir.
But yes, Kokolishi is obviously one of the brands to support. Nako so.
Exactly.
And basta ko sa a reason por me minta pensa na mi select solamente ako sino kung nota ko na si.
Si.
Pero Kokolishi sa uno pa show man growth. Like, mita ko ara bombong, ora man ko na si like na Caribbean is sino ko abay na natating very small pop-up.
Oh wow.
Nako so, huwag ko lulu and so, anto, ito super insane, ito scarf, awaki like, iting shirts, iting scarves, iting katin, like,
Featured in magazines such as
L.
Magazine.
Dus, ik dacht gewoon een bon voorbeeld. Misschien
Yeah.
dat je maar meneer, echt moest er bestaan, like, Sigi, like,
Sigi.
echt de support.
Yeah.
Like, ze bestaan de support, hindi na kumpra, like, na
Exactly.
pa yung lew kami nanda. Dus,
Precies.
Kokolishi, shout out to you, you're doing the thing, but this what the act showing money, o na wow, like, we can do this.
Atos Tujo.
Oto, studio.
Tujo Kokolishi.
Stop só. Wow.
O ba? Sa, gini?
No.
Okay.
No. Que sigue
Dapat
detrás.
sabihin ko, di ba sa? Ikaw kaya di. Bomba, hindi ko muna.
Ito YDK.
Mention na ng tres. Tres man ta. Okay, es un team bakery, I think. Imata ki. Imata, pero team?
Hierba.
Señor, escúchanos oración.
Run it back. Team mata, pero team? Kiko sa tres fe mata, team Baribian.
Fruta.
Sí, pero...
Flor.
Ajá. Flor na inglés, pero un specific.
Flower. Okay.
Sí, pero
flower.
un specifico flower.
Okay.
Kung nasa doon na ding Valentine's Day.
Rose.
This?
Rose's Bakery?
Yeah, Rose Bakery.
Rose
that one
Bakery.
na.
Okay.
So shout out to Rose Bakery, but natin with the one cakery.
Oh.
And to also di mi prima Ashes Cakes. She is
Wow.
a YDK and she be baking the cakes for my guy or a
Oh,
boy.
no, I'm not
I feel
ready.
it.
You watch it.
Okay, what na? One cake bowls and
But in cake bowls?
you know like poke bowl but cake bowl.
Gezond because it's in a bowl. Ita ita para traje.
It got berries and strawberries, so it's all healthy.
Salu ita. Cake in a
No,
bowl.
but ando timbari via ita collab ko manera si gumi ito Suriname and then after you go show, pero nasa si many cakes and pina colada like hot curry pina colada na ba tayo bopolo junto. Eh, kaya makumbre ko
Señor, para ti.
telephone. Kaya mo na Ashes Cakes.
My turn. Alright.
Ooh, Prince.
Still today.
Is it gonna do a hand? Is it gonna a brand miss?
No, not the brand miss. Pero it is supposed to hint towards the brand.
A brand tatraha.
See,
Prince?
definitely. Anto? No, me lo ginabahente ki.
Okay.
No, ginabahente ki ba yan sa
Hindi
siguro?
na sa siguro. Okay, a brand tatraha. Brand.
Buko na sa brand ki. Kaya hindi sa buko na sa brand.
Data Studios? I mean, like, you know, like, what's happening? You're gonna miss Sora, pero, I mean,
Para beat around the bush, give me some
I coulda-
slack. Cut me some slack.
But when I stand a brand man,
Because I'm gonna put elements there because it has a face. I don't know if you guys can see it.
like look travel, if face, like
Yeah.
if face, like does it make faces and stuff? But Dave Studios is just
Sir.
sir.
The iconic lips and glasses with the pro.
Hey, see the Pocket First merch, you would know.
Legendary.
Legendary. But see, Dave Studios, shout out to you, man. Like she makes beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful.
The
art.
use of colors, there's a science to that. Dat echt ko ba appreciar.
So maybe that hobby or
I don't know.
hobby creative. Hobby creative.
Yeah, we love you, Deco Studios.
Yes. What brand dapat ako na si kubad man you know what? Me definitely check out.
Wait. Crochet, me not conhecer OD crochet for sure. So it'll be a wristband OD.
Sí.
Yeah.
Sí.
Pero it must look emergency wristband.
Mami es un ceramics. See, but so my apples so I'm definitely checking them out.
Yeah.
Y'all, ding in comments and there's no thing in live chat so, pero by the comment about like a video may comment tour e brand ng kubas brand ng
Comment tour e Brenda na.
Wow.
Comment tour e Brenda na.
Ponete en arquivo.
Sí.
Hey, manan.
Shona, like nós será pessoal comment to the brands não conheço mencionar. Isso não conheço não mencionar.
Sim.
Assim que ter um database for
Yes.
us to PSL support locals. Okay. Come on, plug. All right.
Nós vai ter a favorite comments na. So, nós vai pick por mim. Nós vai assim live chat one. This other person the so I work aqui nós vai pick onde cena the only actual YouTube video. So, take it away.
So, the live chat nós vamos ter gente que deve estar severamente active durante o dia aqui. Basicamente deve estar quase tour de propaganda.
Assim, esta tour sigo. Like, quando ela faz después ela cuejo one sigo.
Ito ba na namin ta sabi? No.
Manang.
Hey, Sureima, Susu,
Shout out.
you did that.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to you for being present. The live chat
The
comments.
live chat, the live or nasa subila.
Or sa live. See, ito from Spain, because she's. I don't know what that is, but she's traveling.
Overseas.
Clearly.
Abroad.
Pero no, hey, no sa apreciable support. Así na tanto, so we really
So
appreciate it.
you was on fire.
You was on fire.
No, akin pa man Roman. Si tipo, like a dia ko na sa ela air das man Roman. For the 4th episode, the single shout out super.
We have to. We have to.
Yeah. But by YouTube in the chat in the comments, yeah. Joel Doran, he said, "Wasanda a whole vibe. Direito mi tia para mi hari mesmo. Dawa sa sumi se record in fun mouse, pero e programa ay kita the best pa pimento pa sempre. E sila da in fact I was nasa direito sa tia, and the programa the best like yo, it's serio. And again, nasa hit 1K.
We hit 1K 3 times in a row. You guys are the best. You guys are the best.
This at
From the heart.
Drop eko aqui di ba po story.
Mande pa turende.
Mande pa ture brands na.
Mama patata boyu turende. Kasana. Pabo business people.
Pabo business people.
Wala ka kumina pa sa palo bisa na wakisaki. Kumina pa sa palo. Kumina kasbal na waki body.
I hope you guys enjoyed the episode Aki. I hope you enjoy some merch.
Exactly.
Remember to PSL everybody. Petite supports locals. And we're gonna see you guys in the 5th episode.
In the 5th episode.
Which actually was a pitch in kind of thing live. So, direta in live or na speak sa by live. But a high exclusive ko. Awak ko YDK Brands na. Dus bij oren als kabaki, dus wie ora, subir op Instagram.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Ay,
layo.
La que penetra de temporal.
Hugs. No? Okay. I give up.
Nah, y'all. Of course, remember to enjoy episode aqui.
Laga sa.